So I just built this. My mom and I just built this for Scooby and Mrs. Whiskers. And right now Scooby's using this. Those Scooby's old cat house lost one of the legs that my grandfather made him. So for right now, we got him this until that one gets fixed. I think we're gonna keep both of them because this is a really nice one, and I think Scooby likes it. Scooby, are you gonna go climb up on your new house? Oh, where's he going? I'll be back once he comes back. So Scooby hasn't come back, but I'm just gonna show you the house. I have a catnip candy bar at the top for him for when he makes it up there. And oh, and I also have some catnip in there. But if you were wondering where I found this at a store called Ollie's. Don't know if you've ever heard of it, but if you have, it's a great store. And they have good deals. And they have better prices than the fancy stores, as they say. Yeah, someone just said good stuff cheap. That's their slogan. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe.